Hello, Hal. Hi, Bangaloreans. It's an amazing time for all of us here. The A Mart Aquatic World has arranged, organized for an aquarium, all types of sea fishes, varieties here. It's an aqua life. It's really amazing. It's very colorful and very rare species we can see here. We also have the lobsters. This time I saw the starfish. It's really wonderful here. I'm having a real nice time. I wish and I can buy few of these aquariums and place it at home to enjoy the beauty every day. The nature is so beautiful. I wish I can take the nature part of a bit of nature to my home. Thank you so
This is
much.
Harish, and I'm here at the Pet Expo um, in Tripuravasini near Hebbal. So I visited the aquarium section, which I found it very nice and neatly labeled, and very exotic fishes are available over here. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Danesh. I'm from Bangalore. I'm here at the Amart stall put up in the exhibition. They do have a lot of varieties. You get to see a lot of exotic varieties here. Come on, come have a look. You might find your dream fish here. That's fine.
I'm superstitious, but it doesn't have to do with me. Won't waste my wishes on it if it wasn't meant to be. And I'll only go out for the moon. I'm hanging on the crest. Yeah, you can meet me if you choose, but I won't hold my breath. I've waited long enough for you to show me what you need. And I'm left with nothing here, just wondering why you can't believe. We have a spark that doesn't come too often in one life. But if you must ignore the signs, then I will stay inside. No, I won't make you stay, make you stay. Like the stars that fade away, fade How long must I wait to learn my fate? How long must I wait to learn my fate? How long, how long must I wait? How long must I wait? No, I won't make you stay, make you stay. Like the stars that fade away,
So I'm Hemant. I'm basically from Mysore. Today I'm here in Pet Fair Festival. Like it's all about aquatics, dogs, cats, parents who all visited here today. Like astonishing the all arrangement that you have done today. and the aquatics that you have presented looking so good. Like I could see very few rare fishes as well, rare fishes. I am actually aquatic lover. Like it helped me a lot to explore more from the show, from the exhibition actually, and I am enjoying a lot today. Thank
ನನ್ನ
you.
ಹೆಸರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಫೀಕ್ ನದಾಫ್ ಅಂತ, ಫೈರ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮದು ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆನ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಅಕ್ವೇರಿಯಂ ಅಕ್ವಾಟಿಕ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಫಿಶಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ನೇಮ್ ಏನು, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಶಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಫಿಶಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತ್ರಿಪುರವಾಸಿನಿ ಅರಮನೆ ಮೈದಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಪೆಟ್ ಫೇರಿಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಶ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅಕ್ವೇರಿಯಮ್ನ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ನ ನೀವೆಂದೂ ಊಹಿಸಿರಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಬಿಲೋ ದ ಸಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಭಯ ಪಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಮೈಂಡ್ ರಿಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Hi, this is Firoz. In Bangalore, first time I am seeing this kind of aquariums and pets and all dogs and cats things. So we are exciting to see that. So it's nicely they set up. Everything was very good. So especially the fishes things, they have the freshwater and marine fishes, seawater fishes are there. So Bangalore, first time I am seeing that marine fishes, so many collections, so many shops as I am seeing. Looking forward. I completed this one. I look forward. So further, this will keep. They'll grow that. Thank you.
Variety of fishes and it's very wonderful. There are a lot of variety of fishes. It's very wonderful. I told my father to bring me here, and there are a lot of varieties of fishes.
मैं इधर लखनऊ से इधर आया हूँ और इस पार्क में मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा और बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगा है और बहुत अच्छा हमको ये सारा नज़ारा लग रहा है. मैंने बहुत दूर से आया हूँ देखने के लिए इधर, और मेरा काम चल रहा था, मैं काम छोड़ के आया हूँ इधर देखने के लिए. वो बहुत देखकर इसे खुशी हुई और बहुत ज़्यादा आप लोग आइए देखने के लिए. और क्या है, हमको बहुत ज़्यादा 100% बहुत खुशी हुई है. और हम लोग आए इधर हैं और हमारे चाचा लोग आए हैं देखने के लिए. हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा देख के. और हमारे भैया मिल गए इधर रिपोर्टर और बोले कि ये है. और आप लोग सभी से, भाई साहब से वो गुजारिश है कि आप लोग सभी लोग आइएगा. बहुत अच्छे से अच्छे यहाँ अच्छा लगता है और आप भी सब लोग आइए. धन्यवाद.
And I've flown here especially from Mumbai to attend the pet fair and to see what all stalls are there. And right now I'm at A-Mart Aquatic World, and the stall is absolutely wonderful. There's so many variety of fishes. They have about 50 aquariums set up over here and many different breeds, so many colors. They have so many products at the stall as well. It's a wonderful setup, and they are also so welcoming. They're giving so much information about the different products they have, and they are very good to talk to. So, me being a layman and as a customer, I really love whatever they've done to set up here, and I would definitely recommend getting in touch with Amart and doing your aquarium needs.
I'm Kiran. I've come from Bangalore nearby. So we have come to this exhibition and pet stalls to see how varieties of fishes and fish products or other aqua products are available. So Amart have done an excellent job of displaying the fishes, including marine fishes here, and the quality of the tank and the products and the fishes what they have displayed. They look very great. So kudos to the work they have done. It's an excellent job.
Hi, this is for Discus Ninja. I've got my friend Niranjan behind the camera. So Niranjan, thanks, and it's good to meet you in Bangalore. It's great over here. This entire row is made by Amart. There are about 50 tanks on display over here, housing various fish species. The only thing is there are some plastic plants. I don't recommend plastic plants, but I think for the exhibition, for people to see the aquarium fishes that are there, I think it's a fantastic thing. If you're from Bangalore, if you're in Bangalore today, tomorrow, please come to Aquagic. And this is at the Palace Grounds, and you should come and see Amart's display. It's right at the very end. There's a huge row of aquarium that are on display over here. Please come and visit, and all the best, Niranjan, for you and Amart also. Thank you.
Hi, I am Yashwant from Yashwant Vlogs, YASH1TH Vlogs. So I came here and these tanks are set up really very good, and the fish what they have bought are very very good, and you can see a lot of exotic fishes. What I liked is those marine fishes there, and with anemones and those exotic goldfish which you have, Oranda goldfishes. They are very beautiful, and some king kong, this one we have, parrot fishes. They are very good, and how they have scaped it also is too good, and I liked it very much. And if you want to see this, come to Tripuravasini Gate 2 on Jan 10th and 11th. It will be there for 2 days. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sunati. I'm a visitor to the aquarium section. I visited the aquarium section. It was really good, and we are in aquarium business, so I know most of the fishes. I love the tropical and the marine section, and the planted section was really good because the water quality was really great, and the tropical fresh water was also good, and that's it. Thank you.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮನೋಜ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಅಕ್ವೇರಿಯಂ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರುವಂಥ ಅರಮನೆ ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರುವಂಥ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಅಕ್ವೇರಿಯಮ್ಮು Amart ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಅಕ್ವೇರಿಯಂ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಟಿಕ್ ಫಿಶಸ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ಸು ಈ ಥರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ಇದು ಬ್ಲೂ ಮೆಷಿರ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಸೋಟೇಲ್ಸು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗದಿರೋಂಥ ಐಟಮು, ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ನ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಕ್ವೇರಿಯಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ ಆನಂದಿಸ್ಬೋದು ಮತ್ತು ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇವತ್ತು ಸೇಲು ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ನ್ಯೂ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಅಕ್ವೇರಿಯಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಣಿಸದೇ ಇರೋವಂತಹ ಮೀನುಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿ ಆನಂದಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ವಿನಂತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.